Welcome to the Omni Dental and Med Spa podcast. In an age where health and wellness can often feel, well, a bit fragmented, we're taking a deep dive today. We're looking into an organization that genuinely seems to embody comprehensive care, and not just, within their clinic walls, but really woven directly into the fabric of their community. We're talking about Omni Dental and Med Spa, a practice that's definitely made waves, providing both top-tier dental and aesthetic services. You'll find them at their primary location, that's 305 E Rand Road in Arlington Heights, Illinois. But their commitment, it really extends far beyond that one spot. They serve nearby communities like Buffalo Grove, Palatine, Mount Prospect.
Rolling Meadows, Schaumburg.
Exactly. Wheeling to Plain Elk Grove Village, too. So our mission for this deep dive is to explore how their presence at a recent, really vibrant cultural celebration, the Assyrian Food Festival in Morton Grove, how that offers a fascinating window into their unique philosophy, integrated care and genuine community engagement. So, okay, let's start by unpacking this incredible event because it truly sets the stage, I think, for understanding Omni Dental's approach. We're talking about the 7th Annual Assyrian Food Festival. Sounds like quite the spectacular celebration.
Yeah, the sources describe it as really vibrant, a 2-day thing.
Yeah, 2 days. Held at the Morton Grove Park District, August 23rd and 24th, 2025. And it wasn't just some small local gathering. This festival apparently drew thousands of attendees.
Wow.
All immersing themselves in Assyrian heritage. So you can imagine traditional cuisine filling the air, lively rhythms of live music, captivating folk dancing.
And vendor booths, too, I bet.
Oh, yeah, a bustling array of vendor booths. But what particularly caught my attention, looking through our research, was how Omni Dental chose to just seamlessly integrate themselves into this rich cultural tapestry.
Indeed. And the sources really underscore that. Omni Dental's presence there, it went far beyond just, visibility or some simple marketing exercise. It truly highlighted a core belief they seem to hold, that genuine care, it extends well beyond the dental chair. Which it raises an intriguing question for us, right? Why would a sophisticated dental and med spa practice dedicate significant resources to, well, a cultural food festival?
Right. What's the connection?
Well, our deep dive into the material reveals Omni Dental believes in actively engaging with the public. They're aiming to become a truly trusted community health partner. For them, it seems it's about serving beyond those routine appointments and making a tangible, proactive impact on community well-being. And the team wasn't just standing there waving. They apparently spent the entire weekend genuinely connecting. Greeting visitors with warm smiles, sure, but more importantly, offering expert insights.
Like answering questions?
Exactly. They were on hand to answer a surprisingly wide range of dental questions. Everything from navigating immediate emergency care needs, offering practical preventative tips, all the way to explaining complex insurance options and even exploring various cosmetic solutions. It's a wonderfully proactive, very accessible approach to health education, wouldn't you say?
That accessibility is exactly what struck me too.
Yeah.
And here's where Omni Dental didn't just talk about care, they were actively giving care in a really thoughtful way.
Oh, how so?
Well, our sources highlighted these carefully curated giveaway packages for guests. And these were far more than just like simple brochures or branded pens.
Yeah.
Each gift bag was packed with practical, immediate dental care essentials. We're talking a high-quality toothbrush, floss, dental wax, which is crucial for people with braces or minor irritations.
Useful stuff.
And even oral pain relief samples. All of this came with clear, informative oral hygiene tips.
So not just swag.
Definitely not just swag. The intention, as detailed in the sources, was deeply educational. It was aimed at empowering people with tangible tools they could actually use for better oral health, especially maybe for those who might not have regular dental access or who just appreciated the immediate practical help.
That makes sense.
Yeah, and a team member from Omni Dental was actually quoted saying, "We wanted our presence here to be more than just informational. We wanted to empower people with tools they can actually use right here, right now."
That's a great quote. Powerful.
It really is. So when we look at that kind of direct, hands-on engagement, what does this ultimately mean for the broader community? And maybe how they perceive local health services?
Well, if we connect this to the bigger picture, Omni Dental's participation at the festival wasn't just about their direct services, was it? It reflected, I think, a profound respect for cultural diversity and a deep appreciation for these community-driven events. The Assyrian Food Festival, it's clearly a cornerstone of cultural celebration in the region. It draws not only Assyrian community members, but also a very diverse audience, from all walks of life.
Mm.
So by being present and by participating in such a hands-on way, Omni Dental demonstrated a commitment to inclusivity, to cultural appreciation, and to making health education accessible, and doing it within this vibrant, non-clinical setting.
Which probably makes it less intimidating for some people, too.
Absolutely. The festival itself, as you mentioned, offered this incredible sensory experience. Imagine savoring traditional foods like the savory kefta kebab sandwiches or the delicious vegan dolmar.
Sounds amazing.
Right. All while captivating dance performances are unfolding and vendor booths from across the region showcase unique crafts and products. Omni Dental's involvement sort of reinforced this rich cultural context. It positioned them not just as like a service provider, but as an integral part of the community's story, part of its overall well-being.
That's a really good point.
Yeah, it's a powerful statement. Health isn't isolated, right? It's an essential thread woven into the larger, vibrant tapestry of life, and cultural events play a vital role in that vibrancy.
That festival experience really does give us a fantastic, tangible window into Omni Dental's broader philosophy and how they operate.
Yeah.
So let's maybe zoom out a bit now and look at the full scope of what they offer back at their Arlington Heights office.
Okay.
And at the heart of it all, our sources point to Dr. Bullis Poles. He's the founder and lead dentist.
Mm-hmm.
The sources highlight his over a decade of extensive experience, spanning general, cosmetic, and restorative dentistry. But what truly stands out, particularly maybe for our listeners who are interested in the details, is his specialization in dental injuries and emergencies.
That's crucial.
It really is.
Yeah.
An area where quick, skilled action can make all the difference. But beyond his technical prowess, the sources consistently praise his gentle chairside manner, his meticulous attention to detail.
Important qualities in a dentist.
Definitely. And a steadfast commitment to what they call a patient-first mentality.
Okay, patient first. What does that look like in practice?
Well, it seems it isn't just a slogan. It means treating every patient like family, ensuring that everyone from, say, toddlers experiencing their very first checkup to seniors with complex dental needs receives tailored, respectful, and compassionate care. They focus not just on the dental condition itself, but on its wider impact on a patient's overall health, their comfort, their quality of life. It's a very human-centered approach to dentistry, it seems.
Exactly. And building on that human-centered approach, Omni Dental isn't just about routine general checkups. They genuinely offer a comprehensive suite of dental services. And it's all bolstered, apparently, by a commitment to using advanced technology.
Right, the tech side. Let's touch on that.
Yeah, let's delve into a few of those services. So beyond the foundational preventive care, like deep teeth cleaning, protective dental sealants, their general dentistry covers, well, everything. Fillings, crowns, bridges, root canal therapy, even careful tooth extraction.
Standard but essential stuff.
Essential, exactly. Now, for patients who need more advanced restorative solutions, this is where their expertise seems to truly shine. Our sources highlight their work with dental implants, including specialized techniques like all-on-4 and full-arch implants.
All-on-4. Can you unpack that briefly?
Sure. For those who might not be familiar, all-on-4 is it's a pretty revolutionary technique. It's designed to restore a full arch of teeth, top or bottom, using just 4 strategically placed implants. The benefit is it often allows patients to regain function and aesthetics much faster than traditional methods. It minimizes surgical invasiveness and recovery time.
Wow, okay. That sounds significant.
It really is. And they also perform bone grafting, which is crucial sometimes for patients who need a stronger foundation before getting implants.
Got it.
Then, on the cosmetic side, they provide treatments like Invisalign, the clear aligners, a discreet alternative to traditional braces.
Very popular.
Mm-hmm. Professional teeth whitening, full smile makeovers, dental bonding for minor imperfections, and even specific treatments for gummy smiles. They also cover prosthodontics, so full and partial dentures. And critically, tying back to Dr. Pool's specialization, they provide emergency dental care, which is just a lifeline when you need immediate, expert attention.
Absolutely.
And their investment in advanced technology. It isn't just for show. Our sources detail it as a way to ensure better accuracy in diagnosis, think advanced imaging. It also allows for more efficient treatments and significantly enhanced patient comfort across all these services. It fundamentally improves the whole patient experience.
It's clear that the patient-first philosophy really drives their dental offerings. But, like we said at the start, Omni Dental isn't just about teeth.
Right, the med spa part.
Exactly. The med spa part of their name is equally crucial, and it's where their holistic approach truly comes into its own, I think. Our research shows they offer an extensive range of aesthetic services, and these don't just complement the dental care, but they powerfully contribute to overall well-being and, boost confidence.
Enhancing the whole picture.
Precisely. Think of it as enhancing the canvas of your natural beauty. So, for injectables, they provide popular options like Botox and dermal fillers for subtle enhancements. Also, sculpture treatments, which work by stimulating collagen, and even platelet-rich fibrin, or PRF.
PRF, using the patient's own blood components.
That's right. As our sources explain, it uses a patient's own concentrated blood platelets to accelerate healing and tissue regeneration. Apparently particularly beneficial after certain treatments or just for general skin rejuvenation.
Interesting. Natural approach.
Yeah. And their menu of skin treatments is quite comprehensive, too. Things like microneedling and dermaneedling for texture improvement, general skin rejuvenation.
Laser pigmentation removal.
Targeted acne scar treatment. They also offer IPL photofacials for evening out skin tone, deeply hydrating hydrofacials, microdermabrasion for exfoliation, and dermaplaning.
That's a lot of options.
It is, and it goes even further. They specialize in permanent makeup, offering microblading and powder brows for enhancing eyebrows, lip blushing for a natural tint.
Nipple pigmentation, scalp micropigmentation.
Exactly. Scalp micropigmentation, which is a sophisticated solution for hair loss.
Wow.
And it doesn't even stop at the face. They also have body treatments, things like body sculpting and cellulite reduction, laser hair removal, and even IV drip therapy for nutrient support.
Okay.
It really is a comprehensive, holistic approach to feeling good, feeling confident, and healthy inside out, isn't it?
Absolutely. It feels like a seamless extension of that patient-first ethos we talked about.
Yeah.
And what's particularly insightful from our sources, and maybe an often overlooked yet significant aspect of their practice, is their profound commitment to minimizing environmental impact.
Sustainability. That's important.
Very. They achieve this through sustainable practices that are carefully integrated into both their dental and aesthetic services, and importantly, without ever compromising on quality or safety.
How do they manage that?
Well, for example, our research indicates they utilize advanced digital radiography. This significantly reduces radiation exposure compared to traditional X-rays, and it eliminates the need for those harmful chemical developers.
What a good point.
They also focus on waste reduction strategies like using sterilizable and reusable instruments wherever possible, and carefully managing the disposal of any hazardous materials. This dedication to environmental consciousness, it really reinforces their commitment to holistic well-being. It shows care not just for their individual patients or even just the local community.
But for the wider world?
Exactly, for the wider world they operate within. It truly completes the picture, I think, of a comprehensive, responsible, and forward-thinking practice.
What a journey we've been on today. Really, from their enthusiastic and deeply thoughtful involvement at the Assyrian Food Festival to their extensive and technologically advanced range of dental and aesthetic services, we've truly seen a practice dedicated to community, personalized care, and comprehensive well-being. Omni Dental isn't just, fixing smiles. They're building trust and supporting health. Not just at vibrant community festivals, but every single day in their Arlington Heights office.
It certainly seems that way.
So if you're listening and looking for personalized dental care, whether it's for routine checkups, emergency needs, or those advanced treatments we discussed, or maybe if you're exploring aesthetic services from a team that genuinely cares about your overall well-being, we highly encourage you to learn more, or perhaps book an appointment.
Where can people find them again?
You can find Omni Dental and Med Spa in Arlington Heights, Illinois, or simply call them at 847-483-8833.
This deep dive into Omni Dental's integrated approach, it really prompts us to consider how we define modern healthcare, doesn't it?
It does.
So for you, the listener, here's maybe a provocative thought to mull over. How do you envision the ideal community care model? And in what novel or profound ways can local businesses, beyond merely providing direct services, contribute to the cultural vibrancy and the holistic health of the neighborhoods they serve?